Hello friends, this is Leica totalstation TS16 3-second instrument. So today we are going to show how to on this machine, how to leveling adjust, and how to key in the coordinate, how to set up the totalstation. So everything we try to show first to last is basic thing. So please watch our video and join with us, subscribe our channel, like and share for more video. Please join with us. Okay, now we first on this machine. This is, you can see here on button, just 1 2 3 5-second press, automatically on. So we waiting for on this machine. It's on nearly 1 minute need to timing for on. Okay, now machine is already on. So our first job, we need to set up the level. How to set up the level? You can press here, is on star button, have press this one. Some option is inside this star. So our one, we press here. You can see 5 option have only one place. So we need to do what? Level bubble. Press. Already come. So you can see here the bottom 3 like a wheel have is bottom side. So we need to use it for adjust the level. So you can see here machine already showing which place need to you press it, moving it. So you move bottom, you can see automatically come down. Okay, now left and right. Okay, one more thing, you can see here L is means left and right, T is top and bottom. So which place need to adjust, you automatically see here, then can understand. So left and right is almost okay, 2 seconds. Top and bottom is 7 seconds. So we need to less than 3 seconds is better. Okay, almost done. After that press okay. Then machine is already level okay. Then one more thing, we need to know how we on the laser. This machine laser, you can see here, press center, see automatically come. This one place have 4 option. So which one you need to use, we just select it. So now we select, you can see here right, red laser on, just press, automatically here come red line, that means laser is on. You can see here laser is already on. So once you need to off, same place, one more time press. You can see here writing red laser off, just press. Okay, automatically off. Then one more thing, sometimes we use reflective. Reflective means no target, no anything, any place we can shoot, it is called reflective. So if we need to change target, just press here. You can see here measure prism target. So what need to do, press, automatically target coming ready, already showing the display. So again we need to use reflective, just press Just press measure any surface. This one is called reflective. Any place you can shoot. So any surface automatically change. Then one more thing, one more option is here. You can see here one small hand. Just touch here. You can see auto aiming, search and lock, wait and lock. So auto aiming means if we select auto aiming, working time, we just press distance, automatically get reading. This machine automatically finding the target. We don't need to aim, just press only distance, machine finding the target. If we select manually, you can see manually aiming, one hand coming means we need to hand adjust. Then we manually aim and put distance and measure. This is basic thing. Okay, one more thing is we need to create a new job. Just press, you can see here left, right, top, bottom, 4 button have. Okay, we can tap here, create a new job. If you want to select new job, you need to create, just select and tap here to create new job. Just press OK. Then coming job name, description, creator, job store to internal memory. Okay, just we writing here. Example, today we need to job name. We always writing the date. Okay, today date is, example, today date is 19/05/22. Store. Press store. They are showing 19/05/22 already exit. Press OK to enter a different name. That means we already same job already inside the machine have. So we need to what? Need to different name. Press OK. If same job have, we need to select different job. Different job, how to select? Example, we writing A, B, anything you just B and writing. Just select A. Okay. Maybe this job also already have. You see, this job also already have. So what need to do? We writing different name. A already have inside. So writing, cutting A 19/05/22 B. You can see 19/05/22 B. Okay, store. Already 19/05/22 B is already is login. Means already create. So before why cannot in same name? You see already have in 19/05/22 19/05/22 A already have. So you cannot do it same name 2 times. Need to match different name. Okay, now we are going to show how to key in the coordinate in machine. So first we need to select a job, which folder we need to key in the coordinate. Example, today we create 19/05/22. Okay, then okay, one more time I show. Select the job, press OK. Coming view and edit data. This is not only like a totalstation. Every totalstation have same things. So we need to know only. Okay, view and edit data. You can see here one more pen. That means you can writing anything, you can delete anything, you can edit anything. Okay, press OK. See, this folder we create, but inside don't have anything. So what need to do? We press new. That means we going to key in something. Coordinate. Okay, point name. Example, point name is A1. A1. After that, coming writing easting, northing and height. Maximum time we use northing and easting only coordinate. Sometime we need to height also. That call somebody using northing, easting, height, somebody calling x, y, z, somebody calling different type. So here writing have easting, northing and z. You can see my one more phone. This phone is some coordinate have. So we need to key in the coordinate in machine. So now we are going to show how to key in. Example, easting is 29, 25, 29, 23, 08. Maximum is 5 digit. After press dot. Okay. After that coming here, northing 28. Okay. Example, this coordinate have a height, so we are writing her height. Example 103.600 or 600. If coordinate no have, level no have, we need to put 00. Coordinate have, okay, height have, we height also key in ready. After that press store. If new one more coordinate need to key in, just press new. That means coming ready A2. If you this one point name no A2, you can cut. Example, this point name is B2. Just writing press here B2. Then you can key in the coordinate. It's very simple. Key in ready, press OK. If example something wrong ready, you just press edit, then coming ready B2, you can edit. If you no need edit ready, edit finish, again press store already. If number A is need to edit, select A. Number B need to select B. C, D, anyone you writing, anyone you need to edit, you can very simply select. Is green line coming means you see already select. So just press edit, automatically coming edit area, then we can edit. Okay, one more thing is here. This is, you can see here, this place is left side is always battery, right side is writing Bluetooth. Then you can open it slowly up, then we can see inside. One more is for USB, one more for is SD card, then one more is for PC. Directly can connect the computer. You can see clearly. Everything is writing here. Here USB, here SD card, here is PC. After that you insert ready, just lock it. Very simply. After that, today is we are going to stop our video here. This video, how many things I today showing, this very simply you see this video until the end, then you can learn. If anybody no understand also, see this video, then can learn something about this Leica total illustration. TS16, TS17,